Are you worried about how your financial condition will look in a year or even a few months? With all of the concerns about economic growth, it's natural to be concerned about a possible recession. But the idea is to start planning now so that you are in the greatest financial position if a recession occurs within the next 6 to 12 months. So that's why I am here today to show you 6 simple ways to take your first steps in the world of online businesses. So the first one, creating thumbnails for YouTubers. This is a very cool way to get into the online world and make your first money. The idea is to either create thumbnails for small YouTubers or create better thumbnails for bigger YouTubers than they already have. You will need to acquire some skills in this niche to actually sell your service, but that's always the case if you want to make money. Canva is a powerful design tool that can be used for these purposes. It is a free program that allows anyone to work with image editing, design layout, and other features in one simple platform. Or you could use Adobe products like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, or Spark, but which obviously are quite expensive for the start. The best way to promote your work and reach those YouTubers is to improve some of their existing thumbnails and send it to them via email. Which, by the way, is always linked in the About tab of a YouTube channel. This way, you are likely to impress the YouTuber not only with your work, if it's good, but also with how you reached out to them and gave them some free samples as proof of the quality of your work. The next one, you can start an agency. Of course, I am talking about a small agency that only does some small work for some individuals at the beginning, and not a huge agency with 10 employees right away at the beginning. But first, what is even an agency? An agency is a company that provides specific services to other businesses. Most agencies either offer a single service or a variety of services. Some examples for an agency are email marketing, branding and design, video editing, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, so basically social media, marketing and management for organizations or individuals. But the basic structure of an agency is always very similar. There is an owner of the agency and then a client that want to get a certain work done. And the agency takes the money of the client and either they do the work by their own and get a good profit out of it, or they search for somebody external who can actually do the work. And in that case, the agency works like a middleman, which gets work by someone else done, but gets his cut of the money. In conclusion, it's a good Kickstarter if you like to organize and manage things. The next business, online surveys. And yes, it is possible to earn money by completing internet surveys. Although the payments will not drive you to financial independence overnight, completing surveys for money may offer a tiny cash boost when you need it. Here are some of the best choices for getting paid to do surveys. The first one, Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a well-known survey service that will pay you to complete surveys. Swagbuck points may be redeemed for cash or gift cards as you complete surveys. Swagbuck points may also be earned by doing things like playing games, surfing the web, and watching videos. For each survey, you may expect to earn between 40 and 200 Swagbucks. That are between 40 cents and $2 each survey. There are, however, a few rare possibilities to earn up to $50 each survey. The second one, Life Points. Another site that allows you to do surveys in return for points is Life Points. The number of life points you earn in exchange for completing a survey depends on its urgency and length. However, when you accumulate life points, you will be able to exchange them for gift cards, charity donations, and cash through PayPal. And the third one, Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars will pay you money for viewing movies, playing games, reading emails, filling out surveys, and purchasing at some businesses. What distinguishes Inbox Dollars is that you don't need to memorize a complicated point conversion system. You just earn cash for each survey you complete. And the fourth business, earn rewards for your data. With these services, you share some of your data, like a scanned copy of your supermarket receipt, to earn rewards. Here are some companies that offer these services. Airtime rewards. This is ideal for consumers who want to lower or offset their mobile phone expense. You must first link your card, and then every time you make a purchase at a registered store, you will receive a reward. This award can be used to your mobile bill. Shoppics. Take pictures of receipts and fill out questionnaires to get tokens. Tokens may be redeemed for cash via PayPal or $5, $10, or $20 vouchers. HooYou. Here you can scan supermarket receipts and complete questionnaires in exchange for benefits such as shopping coupons. The starting point is 500 points. The next business, website remodeling. Of course, for this you must have knowledge with website designing or development. Find a bad website, contact the owner and say that their website doesn't look good and you can improve it, which will lead to higher sales. And then you should make a before and after video of the website and post that on Instagram or TikTok. That would be a good start to reach your next people. And the last business for today, meal prep for others. It's self-explanatory, but I'm still going to explain it a little further. So, if you are a gym guy or an average person who likes to cook and knows what foods are good for someone who wants to gain or lose weight, why don't you make a few meals, make a video about them, and show them how delicious they look and how much calories and protein they have? And then you can also set up an Instagram or TikTok page and post it there, and just try to sell it near your location first. So it's also a realistic scenario. Personally, I think there are a lot of gym guys who don't have enough time to prepare their weekly meals because of school or work, so take advantage of the opportunity. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one, and make sure to check out the other videos.